Okay, the second part is the simple present. The simple present is the easiest tense in all English tenses. The rule is very simple. You just put the verb and that's it. If I take, for example, verb to play, I say I play. In the simple present, you play, we play, they play. The only exception is with he, she, and it. We have a small letter that is added to the verb. That is an S. So by adding an S, we will have, or we will get, the present simple. If I say, for example, I love tennis but she loves handball. Here I have verb to love, same verb to love, same tense, it's the simple present, but with I say love, but with she loves. We add an S. If we replace she by he, it's the same thing. I love tennis, but he loves handball. Still, we keep the S. If I talk about a cat that loves milk, I cannot say my cat loves milk. I must say my cat loves milk. I must put that S at the end. That is the rule. Verb sometimes plus S with he, she, and it to have the present simple. The future is also a simple tense, simple future, and it's a tense that is easy to formulate. We have two types. The first type, which is the most common, it is will, or in the negative, will not, or won't, as short form of will not, plus verb. That's the rule. He will come with us tomorrow. Will come, this is verb to come in the simple future. Second example, she won't marry him. Won't marry. It's verb to marry in the future, in the negative form. We can say won't marry him or will not marry him. It's the same thing. She will not marry him or she won't marry him. Both constructions are in the simple future. Will not plus verb will not plus verb, or won't plus verb, which is here won't plus verb, or in the affirmative, will plus verb, in the root, will plus verb. That is the simple future. Of course, we use the simple future to talk about something that is going to happen in the future, not now and not before. Something that is later on. The simple present is used to talk about something that is now. Here we talk about the uses of the simple present. We talk about the present happening, or talk about a fact. The sun rises from the east. This is a fact. Nobody can say no. The sun rises. Rise plus S. Verb to rise plus S. Rises. That's a fact. We talk about a general truth. If you boil water up to 100 degrees Celsius, it evaporates. It evaporates. Verb to evaporate plus S, because it, as we said, he, she, and it, verb plus S in the simple present. If you boil water up to 100 degrees Celsius, it evaporates. Evaporate in the simple present plus S, it evaporates, to talk about a general truth, something nobody can discuss or doubt about. So, we use also the simple present to describe. The weather is nice. The exam is difficult. We are happy. So, in these three examples, we are describing a feeling or a state of mind or physical description. The fact that we are describing, we are using the simple present. These are the uses of the simple present, and this is the simple future, and that was our second lesson about simple tenses. Thank you for watching.